and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the 2020 numbers for New Year's. This is great if you have any wine koozies or maybe hats that you want to try to attach these to. This project only takes about 15 minutes, so I encourage you to join along and try to make these with me. We're going to begin with the number 2, and we're going to be using a size G or 6 crochet hook. So to get started, you want to crochet a magic loop. And inside your magic loop, you want to place 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 10. So go ahead and tighten up your tail. And then we are actually going to be crocheting over this tail. You're going to want to place 8 double crochets over your tail. So just kind of hold it like that and then double crochet over it. So once you have all 8 double crochets on your tail, you can space them out a little bit if you want it to be a little longer. I just kind of like mine a little tighter like that. And what you're going to want to do is chain 1. And then you're going to be inserting your hook inside of that last double crochet stitch you made. And you're going to want to place 1 single crochet and then try to find another stitch in there and place another one. Now don't chain or anything. Go ahead and turn your work and insert your hook right back in that last stitch. Place a single crochet and another single crochet in the next stitch and another single crochet in the next stitch, and it might be a little tight. That's all right. Turn your work again, place single crochets across those 3 stitches. Oh, don't chain. Turn your work, insert your hook, start single crocheting across. And you're going to want to have 5 rows of this, so 1 more after this. Turn your work, insert your hook, okay, so now you can see the natural fold of it is right here where you started to place your single crochets. And you can either have this over that 2 portion, or you can kind of reverse it, which is the way I prefer it to look. And you can have it sit like that. So you're done with your number 2. Now it's time to tie this off and move on to our number 0. And something else to keep in mind when you're tying this off, I like to run this tail through the front to kind of make like a stitch with it. So I inserted my hook through the entire thing, and I'm going to pull it through like that. And this is just to kind of help it stay down. And then I'm going to insert my hook again through the entire thing. Like that. And pull through again. And that should help hold it in place like that. To make the 0, you're going to keep using your size G or 6 crochet hook, and you're going to crochet a magic loop. Inside your magic loop, you're going to place 25 double crochets. 1, 2. And once you have your 25 double crochets inside your magic loop, you're going to want to kind of pull on the tail slowly and rearrange these stitches so that they kind of come together but they're not overlapping each other. And another thing I was going to mention is, depending on the size yarn you're using, you might have to crochet more double crochets inside your magic loop. It just depends. I'm just going to use my 2 here as sort of a base. So now, once we have the spacing the way we want it, go ahead and slip stitch into your first double crochet. I'm just making sure it's the right size, which it looks like it is. And I'm going to tie this off. And once you tie it off, you can see that we've got a 2 and a 0 that are easily attachable to any crochet project that you might have. Go ahead and repeat this video again so you can have the 2020. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I'll do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.